In this video, we are going to learn how to know if someone blocked you over on TikTok. So make sure that you watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. So here I have two accounts currently logged in to my device. I'm going to block one of my account and then I'll show you how we know that. Alright, so if I go to the search bar and search for my first account, which is shacks.edit, and if I go to users and scroll down, and alright, so you can see I found my account here. And what I'm actually doing now, I'm going back to my profile and let's say and switch the account, and I'm going to block my first account, which is Mr. Matt. Let's block this account here. And once I switch my account again to Mr. Matt, now again I'm going to over on search engine and search for Shacks Edit. Now if I go over on users, you can see guys, now I can't find my account here. So this is basically how you know that if someone blocks you over on TikTok, that specific person will be disappear from your TikTok. You cannot even search him with the exact username. So off what it is video guys, I hope you have learned something new. Make sure that give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon, bye.